Moving on, Canada is moving closer to the restrictive immigration playbook, now common in the US. The Liberal government has fast-tracked Bill C-12, which is a sweeping overhaul of refugee and border laws. Critics say it marks a turning point in how the country treats asylum seekers. The legislation expands border enforcement powers and tightens eligibility for refugee claims and is significant because it was passed in the House of Commons just before lawmakers broke for the holidays. Now, if approved by the Senate, in early next year, it will allow the government to deny full refugee hearings to people who apply more than a year after arriving in Canada. It will instead route them through an expedited pre-removal risk assessment process. Similar restrictions apply to asylum claims made at the US land border after 14 days. Now, civil rights groups argue the changes echo a broader global trend. Governments are increasingly prioritizing deterrence over protection. From Britain's tougher asylum rules to EU efforts to externalize border controls, top immigration destinations are increasingly narrowing legal pathways for migrants while expanding executive authority. In Canada, the shift comes amid rising deportations and mounting rhetoric linking immigration to housing shortages and cost of living pressures. The country removed 18,000 people last year, which was the highest number in 20 years. Experts warn that the new law disproportionately impacts vulnerable groups, including international students and LGBTQ+ asylum seekers. As immigration becomes a defining political issue worldwide, Canada's pivot suggests migrants are no longer immune to the global hardening of asylum laws.